Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a conversation on your iPhone. This is really helpful if you want to save an important call, interview, meeting, or any conversation for reference later. So let's break down the easiest methods right here. First method is recording a phone call directly from the phone app. What you're going to want to do is open the phone app on your iPhone. Now, make or receive a phone call just like you normally would. During the call, tap the More Options icon on the screen. Then tap on Call Recording. Both people on the call are going to hear a short audio message that tells them the call is being recorded. This is required legally in many states, so it protects both sides. Now your call is recording. Oh, great. When you want to stop, just tap the recording button again or simply hang up. After the call ends, tap View Saved Call. This will open the recording inside the Notes app, where you can rename it, transcribe it, turn it into text, or share it with others if required. For example, if you recorded an interview with someone for school or work, you can now save it in a Notes folder and even search inside the audio with transcription. Super helpful. Anyways, the second method is recording conversations in person using the Voice Memos app. This works when two or more people are talking face-to-face, like a podcast, a meeting, an interview, or a speech. Go ahead and open the Voice Memos app. Tap the red record button to start recording. Place your iPhone between both people and speak clearly. You can pause and resume anytime you want. When you're done, tap Done to save it. For example, if you're interviewing someone in person, Voice Memos is perfect. It picks up voices clearly and lets you trim the recording, share it to files, WhatsApp, email, AirDrop, and more. You can even turn on Enhance Recording to remove background noise and make the sound clean and bright. One important note: call recording laws are different depending on your location. Some places need permission from both people. So always make sure to tell the other person before recording a phone call. And that's it. Those are the best ways to record conversations on your iPhone, either directly through call recording or using voice memos in person. If you want a tutorial on the best microphones to use or how to edit audio professionally, go ahead and ask in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.